Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method on Amazon. Watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into it. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there on your URL bar, search for Amazon.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now from here, tap on account and list, and after that tap on your payment option. Now in order to change your payment method, firstly you need to remove your current payment method. Now to do so, tap on edit button and then again tap on remove from wallet option. After that, tap on remove button. Now once you tap on remove button, your payment method will be removed. Now add your new payment method. Choose the payment method. Now type in your card details like card number, name on card, expiration date and security code. Now after you're done with it, tap on add your card button. Once you tap on it, your new payment detail will be added. And that's how easily you can change your payment method on Amazon. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.